Hey guys, my name is Alan LaRose. I'm here at MarineMax Cocoa, and I am standing right next to a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck outboard. They call this the SDX model. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, obviously you see we have this amazing new Rascal blue color. Everyone's a really big fan of this. When we get into the boat, you'll see the new 2020 color for the interiors as stone. We've got some docking lights up on the front here, and as you walk down the side of the boat, you kind of see some just natural lines in the mold that kind of make this boat really unique. We didn't really have to put any graphics or anything on it that's going to fade or you know, cause any problems over time, but it still gives it a really modern look, which is having all this different shape to the side of the boat. Coming to the back of the boat here, we've got just so much room. We got so much room for having this sun deck back here. We have the ladder right back here. It's recessed underneath the deck. It comes out, just folds down right there. We can climb up onto the boat there. We have this boat with the 300 V8 Verado. And let's go on aboard and take a look more of the boat. As you can see, we just have so much room. What Sea Ray did with this boat is something that no one else has out there in the market. We're just making just so much room back here. Be able to walk around back here, back there. We've got storage right here. Quick access that goes all the way through. Put your skis, fishing poles, anything like that. We've got a cooler right in here, built in, drained. That folds right down. We've got USB 12-volt power right there. And then what this seat does, you can flip this backrest this way. Got a little lever right here. And now we just transformed the interior of the boat even bigger. So come on in. So right here, we've got really nice lounge seating here. We've got this optional table, and this actually does recess down in here. So pop this off. Just take a look down in here. The arm leg goes right in there. The table has its own little storage. Has a second leg to be able to put the table in the bow as well. You see this boat is equipped with an onboard charger as well. Pop this table right back on. Just like that. Right in here we've got our battery switch and main breaker control. Easy access. We've got underneath this seat cushion here an actual igloo cooler that is removable. And then both of these seats right here, flip back, making it a 25-foot SDX Sea Ray. Just so much room to be able to hang out and enjoy in the boat. We do have in-floor storage located under here right as well. Just unsnap this, flip this around, that pops up, and there's storage down in there as well. Cup holders are all located down low and built into the mold of the boat. The reason that Sea Ray tries to put the cup holders down low, when the boat does hit a little bit of waves, it's not splashing your drink up onto you. Makes a lot of sense. We do have the activity tower on this boat, so we can't pull a wakeboarder or tuber, anybody like that on this, and then it does fold down as well. So coming up here, these seats now, we'll flip them back to our forward position. We've got our Simrad dash here. We've got switches, fusion control, and this is just inlaid right into the acrylic dash just beautifully. Stainless steel cup holders, and there's LED lights in there as well. Flip up bolster, one of my favorite things. Have the ability to kind of sit down, sit up, have a view over the windshield. Digital throttle as well. So always having a place for the phone, wallet, and keys is always smart to me. So we have that little compartment there. And then obviously you're seeing something that you've never really seen before in a lot of boats, is that instead of having the normal pass-through, the traditional Sea Rays, we moved it off to the port side. And when we do that, we give ourselves a lot more room down in here for a head. So that one is a plumbed pump-out head. Lots of storage. That cargo net holds your gear all forward versus falling all the way back. And there is an optional feature to put cushions down there if you'd like, for the kids to be able to take a nap or anything like that. Alright, coming up here, we've got a nice grab rail. Little wind shade here. Close this off. And this windshield comes through. We completely close everything right off. Keeps the breeze from not flowing back in there on those cooler days. Close that off. Close here. Coming up into the front of the boat, got our nice anchor locker up in here. A bow boarding ladder as well. Once we board the boat, now we have a nice stepping area, so we're not having to step under the cushion. And then it also has equipped with a friction hinge with a real cooler, and that is removable. Take it right out of the boat. Again, like I said, we can put another table up here in the front of the boat. We have cup holders on each side. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Guys, there's not much this boat does not have. Stone interior looks great. Quantum blue color. I love this boat. Again, my name is Alan LaRose, MarineMax Coco. Give us a call, 321-636-3142. Have a great day.